BOE governor says UK interest rates may have to rise again. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey warned the central bank may have to raise interest rates again and that food and energy costs remain an upside risk to the inflation outlook. Bailey said the central bank's policymakers are on watch for further signs of inflation persistence that may require interest rates to rise again, according to a text of a speech he delivered to the National Farmers Union on Monday. FOREX-Dollar nurses losses as U.S. rates seen peaking. The dollar was on the defensive and trading by multi-month lows on the euro and a handful of other major currencies on Tuesday, as investors expect U.S. interest rates to fall next year and see that as a signal to sell the dollar in anticipation. Moves were modest in early Asia trade, but the dollar index had dropped below its 200-day moving average on Monday as a rally in the yuan spurred another round of broad weakness. ECB rates probably at plateau for a few quarters, Villeroy says. The European Central Bank will likely keep rates at 4% for a few quarters and may wind down its COVID bond buying portfolio earlier than planned, Governing Council member François Villeroy de Galhau said, pushing back against expectations for a hasty loosening of inflation-fighting measures. The French central banker said that even if the disinflationary trend in the euro area is solid, and somewhat quicker than expected, investors have shifted too quickly from asking when rate hikes would stop to asking when the central bank will cut. Minutes of the Monetary Policy Meeting of the Reserve Bank Board. Members participating: Michelle Bullock, Governor and Chair, Ian Harper Au, Carolyn Hewson Au, Stephen Kennedy PSM, Ian Ross Au, Alana Rubin AM, Carol Schwartz Au, Allison Watkins AM. Others participating: Christopher Kent, Assistant Governor, Financial Markets, Marion Kohler, Acting Assistant Governor, Economic Anthony Dickman, Secretary, David Norman, Deputy Secretary Penelope Smith, Head, International Department, Tom Rosewall, Acting Head, Economic Analysis Department, Carl Schwartz, Acting Head, Domestic Markets Department. EURUSD key levels to watch this week. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I'm trading EURUSD this week, including key levels to watch and possible targets. Plus, I'll share the latest on the US dollar index, DXY. Watch the video below and scroll down for the annotated charts and analysis. EURUSD bulls are continuing where they left off last week with a rally on Monday. We saw the euro hold above the 1.0844 key support last week, so we knew bulls would likely be in control early this week.